All right, moving on to our new concept. Our new concept involves the sound all. Whoa. So this is our sound card. I'm gonna have my pointer right here. So this is how we're gonna start using this card and reviewing it as well. We have ALL, ball, all. Try it again. ALL, ball, all. All right, so when you're doing this review with your teacher, that's how we are doing our letter keyword sound card for this one. ALL, ball, all. Now, when we see the tile on our board, which you should have a little tile of this color, of this sort in your packet that you've gotten. If not, you could have printed it out. We have our ALL tile card. Now, this is telling us that we're using our word all. Now, all, listen to the sound. All, all. There's two sounds in that one. And if you look at your card here, we have a dot on top of our O that makes the aw, and then our L, all, right? All. So with this card is we're going to add these to our review as well so that we can remember what sounds they make, what a keyword is to help us remember, and we're going to get into what the meaning of all of this means. So the green tile card is your glued sound. Why is it called glued sound? Because there are more than one sound, right? And that's what we see on this card, O-L. We hear more than one sound in our all tile. Now, all is not one sound. It has two separate sounds. Like I said, all, all, right? It's not a digraph, right? But that second L is silent, so we're still following our bonus letter rule, all right? Because we're not saying all, right? I know I sound kind of funny when I say it, but that's how it sounds if we have two separate L's. We have all, two sounds, and we have a silent L sound in there, all right? So, on our board, we have our tile here added. So F, L, S, and all, these tiles should all be on the same row, okay, underneath all of the diagraphs. Now, when we are going to build some words, we're going to start right now, okay? So, first word is wall. Tap it out. Wall. So we hear three sounds, okay? First sound was w. Second sound, aw. Third sound, ooh. Wall. Look at my cards. Ooh, wall. Yes, I know. We have our wall card. But what did we just learn about? Our new concept. All. So instead of having ALL on our board and taking that vowel by itself, the L consonant, and taking a bonus L, we now have our all glued sound tile. So that's going to change to all. You see how much shorter that makes it? Because yes, in all we have two sounds, all, all. But adding a w at the beginning, we have wall. Now we're going to practice again. And this time we're going to use and see an example of it, of our marking, because we want to know how to mark this. So here's our marking chart. Ooh, we added to our chart again. So this is box the welded sounds. Also, it's called glued as well, okay? So we have all. This is how we box it. We make a closed shape. Now we learned this in math too. Make a closed box shape, okay? So here, all, ball, all right? Now, when we tap it out, we hear three sounds. All, ball. So this is how we're going to start marking those words that we see if we hear and see the word all in the word. Now, we're going to practice. Our first word is wall. Wall. We use this on our tile boards. W-A-L-L. We have our bonus L there. How are we going to mark this? All. That's right. We're going to make a closed box around that word, that last sound, all, because that's showing us that it's glued. All right. Now, we are going to practice with our word fall. Ooh, fall. Fall. F-A-L-L. Fall. Which one are we going to box? 3, 2, 1. Our word sound all. A-L-L. All, because it has 2 sounds and there are 3 words on that tile. That sound. Okay, next one. We're going to go on to our word haul. Ooh, all, 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 haul. H-A-L-L. When we hear that word, we have awful, haul. So we're going to what? Yes, we're going to box our all sound. Very good practice, and we're going to keep practicing this throughout the rest of this week, okay, and on our week 2. So here we go. Your student notebook is now needed, so you can pause the video if needed, all right? You're going to go to page 11 in your student notebook. In this page, you will also need your crayons. I guess I should have put that at the beginning as well, but you'll need a crayon, some crayons. Now, this is just like our sound card. We A-L-L, ball, all. Now we see 2 letters here because it's making 2 letter sounds. All, ooh, all, right? Now we have a dot on top of that O. That makes the aw sound. All right, so for this picture, our keyword picture here is of a ball. Specifically, do you know it? A basketball, that's right. So you can color in that basketball whatever color you want, all right? Make it look nice because it's in your student notebook and you can refer back to this page and mark it so that you can go back to it if needed. If you forget that the spelling, if you forget the keyword picture, if you forget the sound, all right? So you can do that part. All right. Now we're at the end. I'm so proud of you. Okay, our learning plan, which we all got done. We did our drill sounds and our word warm-ups. We did our word of the day, and we learned our new concept for all. Now that is our glued. Sometimes we'll say welded as well, and you'll figure out why later. Okay, very good. Thank you, first graders. I am so happy for you. Thank you, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.